The drone industry in the United States is currently standing on a knife's edge. For the last year, we've heard the headlines, the bans, the political battles, and the uncertainty of DJI's future in the American sky. But while the lawyers were arguing in DC, the engineers in Shenzhen were building something so radical, so technically impossible, that it might just make the ban irrelevant by sheer force of innovation. This is the DJI Avata 360, and it is officially the first drone that allows you to fly first and frame later. This isn't just an Avata 3 with a better camera. This is a total reconstruction of what an FPV drone can do. We are talking about a machine that captures every single angle of the sky simultaneously, while performing 90-mile-per-hour acrobatic maneuvers. If you thought the original Avata was a game-changer for beginners, you have no idea what is about to happen to the world of cinematography. Today, we are stripping away the hype and the leaks to look at the cold, hard reality of the Avata 360, a drone that is currently sitting in a warehouse, ready to change everything, and it just cleared the FCC for a US release. Let's talk about the hardware, because this is where DJI has defied the laws of physics. For years, if you wanted 360-degree footage from a drone, you had to strap an Insta360 camera to the top of a 5-inch quad, ruining the balance, the aerodynamics, and the flight time. The Avata 360 solves this by integrating a dual-sensor, spherical eye system directly into the airframe. We are looking at two 1/1.1-inch stacked CMOS sensors, nearly the size of a professional mirrorless camera sensor, positioned on the top and bottom of the drone. By using a specialized TrueStitch algorithm powered by the new O4 Plus transmission chip, the Avata 360 creates a seamless, 8K spherical map of your flight in real time. This means you can fly forward, but in post-production you can point the camera backward, sideways, or even straight down at yourself with zero propellers in the shot. It is the ultimate creative freedom, and for the first time in history, you don't need to be a professional pilot to get Hollywood-level shots. But here is the secret feature that hasn't been talked about in the leaks: the tiltable hybrid mode. DJI realized that sometimes you just want a standard FPV shot without the 360 distortion. The Avata 360 features a motorized camera module that can rotate 90 degrees to the front. In this mode, it focuses all its processing power into a single sensor to deliver 4K at 120 frames per second with 10-bit D-Log-M color. It effectively becomes an Avata 3. You are getting two drones for the price of one: a cinematic 360 beast and a high-speed FPV racer. This hybrid capability is DJI's direct response to the anti-gravity A1. The only other 360 drone on the market, DJI saw the competition and decided to not just match them, but to bury them under a mountain of superior specs. Let's address the USA ban elephant in the room. As of early 2026, the legislative pressure on DJI has reached a fever pitch. But here is the twist. The Avata 360 was officially granted FCC approval in late December 2025. What does that mean for you? It means that even if a future ban passes, the Avata 360 is grandfathered in. It is legally cleared for sale and flight in the United States. DJI has even reportedly prepared an AME, or American